Alright everybody, welcome back to the channel. And today I think we're going to work on the Dodge Dakota a little bit. So if you didn't catch what happened with it on the last video of it, the bed was the only thing holding it together. It's pretty rusted. It's basically broken half. I'll have you take a look at it. So this is what we got. The frame is completely gone there. This side's not too bad, like right up by the cab. But here's the back of it. It was just completely rusted through. This side, the whole hanger and stuff is rusted completely through. So, but it still looks like it's good from here forward, which is good. So we're going to attempt to cut this off on both sides right at the cab. So in order to do that, we need to measure how far the rear end is back as it sits right now with the leaf springs. This side is maybe off a little bit, so we're going to go off of that side because it's still attached in the front. That way we can, when we go to put it back in here, we know where to place it. That way the drive shaft and all that doesn't have to be modified at all. So that's the plan. And so we'll get started with doing some of that. Alright, that's 39.5 inches. So I put a piece of tape right here. I'll mark 39.5 inches. Mark the same thing on the other side. Alright, now we need to start taking the gas tank and stuff out. If I can get all this off, then I can go ahead and get it ready to cut. Those are 15 millimeters. Yeah, okay. 25 tools, right? I turned the air compressor on. That's that. No turning back now. Well, there was no turning back a long time ago. Well, now we gotta bust this drive shaft loose. See what size it is. Like maybe 7/16, half inch. Probably metric, so we'll try a 10. Try an 8, not an 8, might be a 3/8. Act like a 3/8. That would help if I had it in the park. will keep the 2 bolts that didn't break and the little caps that go over the U joint. We'll have to drill those other ones out. We plan on using this rear end. We'll have to drill and run a tap through those ones that we broke. Okay, so we got the back of it cut off, got the garage somewhat cleaned up, drained all the gas out of the gas tank, put it in cans, that way it's a little safer. But anyway, I'm going to cut these lines. I'm going to cut the frame rails off right where that black line is, right even with the back of the cab. I think we're going to put a plate, probably maybe like a, I don't know, maybe 1/4 inch plate or so. Probably have it come like out to here and then up a little bit and over. That way we can weld the frame rail straight to that plate on the inside, and then we'll be able to run our bars through the plate and also weld the bars to the insides of the frame rails, so that way we can build the back part of the chassis. So we're going to have a bar with a, you know, an up bend, kind of like the stock chassis was, and have it extended back. Probably put a secondary bar on top of that, maybe some gussets in between the two to strengthen it up, and then we'll go from there. We're probably going to put a 4-link suspension on it. I think that'll probably be the easiest. Plus it'll make it ride a little bit better. I mean, if we're gonna do it, might as well do it right, I guess. I may have to take some 1/4 inch plate and reinforce this driver's side frame rail. It's got a few holes in it here and there, so I'm probably gonna run a plate all the way down the inside of it, weld it all on there. But we'll make sure it's all strengthened up and back to good status. But this truck's got a lot of work. It's gonna have to have new door hinges. You can tell how when you open the door like this and they drop like that. I don't know if you can see that or not, but see how they hit? You gotta kind of pick it up to shut it. If you watch real close, right here at the top, you might be able to see it drop when I open it. The door drops probably a good 1/2 inch maybe. So whenever you have that happen, most likely the door hinges are either A, loose, or B, just wore out from being opened and closed so many times. So we're gonna have to do that. New front fenders. So it's gonna be in here for a little while. But all right, well, I guess that's wrap it up for the Dakota for today. And we're probably gonna go start building on the Baja Bug a little bit. Make some more videos for you guys about that. But well, if you guys want to see the progress, keep up with the progress, go ahead and hit subscribe, like, leave some comments, you know, what you think I should maybe do, or what would be the better bet, I guess. But I appreciate you guys watching, and we'll see you later.